Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to look at these Knipex Atramentized Pliers. Man, these are precision. These are quickly becoming my go-to pliers. I got them about a week ago. I got this nice push button. The handles never clap together no matter what position you're in, so you don't get your fingers caught in there. It's so nice. These jaws are so precision. Like you could look at them under the new magnifying glass we got. Let's check it out. Let's turn it on. See if you can see how nice these jaws are. Look at those jaws. Look at those jaws. Look at those jaws, huh? Like I was saying, this is a precision. Very precision. See how press the button is? You can move it over one notch, 2 notches. It's fully closed. And they're sharp. That's sharp. Right there is sharp. Oh, these are really nice. Let's get that out of the way. Yeah, so these will grab you like straight on like this. And if you just pull on something like this, man, that's nice. Usually it just slips right off, huh? Since this is a hardened bit, these are one of the nicest pliers I ever seen. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to leave a link to it in the bio, in the description. You guys, if you like it, get yourself a pair. I'm going to get myself another style pair. This is called the Atramentized Pliers. I thought they were going to be a little bit bigger, but this is about right. I think these are 8-inch or 7-inch. Get a roller. Here we go. That's on the floor here. These are 8 inches. Not a big lift up. They're nice size. So precision and they grab so nice. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to inform you guys about that nice Knipex pliers. I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments below if you like the Knipex. They seem like it on Amazon. I think they're made in Germany. Yes, made in Germany. All good quality stuff. You guys in the next video. I think these might even come apart pretty easy if you just take this screw out. This probably drops right out and they come right apart, so easy cleaning. I'm not going to do that, but yeah, that's what it looks like. No screw holding it. It's awesome. Yeah. Alright guys.